What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious, also tender, fall off the bone baby back ribs. I got you. I got a super easy recipe for you to follow along and get you some slow cooker ribs going. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. Alright guys, to begin, we're going to start by removing the membrane off of these ribs. That membrane is a barrier stopping all that flavor from penetrating the ribs, guys. You got to go ahead and get a knife and remove your membrane just like so. Takes nothing but a minute or two just to get all that off so we can have these ribs seasoned up proper. Alright guys, once you have that membrane all up out of there just like so, you want to go ahead and grab your olive oil, drizzle a little bit up on these ribs, give it a nice luxurious massage. Get all up in there, guys. Get it all massaged, all oiled up just like so. Once that's all said and done, you'll see a list of all the ingredients we are going to be using to season up these ribs to perfection. Each one of these ingredients are very important, but there is a special ingredient, and that is ground cinnamon. Guys, this cinnamon just adds a little bit of oomph to this dish, guys. Trust and believe me, I'm trying to tell you, I would not lie to you. So anyways, as usual, we are gonna go crazy, go ham with the seasoning, because you know ain't nothing bland on this channel whatsoever. We about to go crazy and season up these ribs proper. So this is how your ribs should look once you have it all seasoned up. And if they don't look like this, please kindly send it all the way back to the kitchen, because I don't want it, because we do not do bland around here. Send it back. So I'm gonna go ahead and load it up in my slow cooker, set the temperature to high, and I'm just gonna forget about it for about 2.5 to 3 hours or so. And this is how it should look once it comes out. Should look just like so. We're not done here, guys. We want to get a nice crust on these ribs, guys. We're not gonna just settle for this. We're gonna lay it onto a baking pan and we're gonna put it on broil. If you have a low setting on your oven when it comes to broil, that works very well. Put it on the low setting if you have it. If you don't, keep an eye on it, and you want to keep it in there until you have a nice golden brown crust, guys. Once that's all said and done, grab your favorite barbecue sauce. We are using Sweet Baby Ray's, and we gonna just layer on that barbecue sauce just like so. Brush it up some proper. Get all that barbecue sauce all spread it up all up on these delicious ribs just like so. And guys, we're gonna keep it going. Leave a comment. If you have nothing to say at all, drop that fire emoji. That helps out a lot with the channel. Drop a comment, drop a fire emoji, drop a anything emoji, don't matter. Drop something in the comments for your boy. So we're just gonna get all of that barbecue sauce on there just like so. Once that's all said and done, we're gonna toss it back in the oven. I would say about 1 to 2 minutes on broil again, and you want to definitely keep your eye on it because you do not want it to burn. We're looking for that barbecue sauce to kind of caramelize and get all sticky and all nice and ooey and gooey, guys, because that's how we like it around here at Whip It Up with Jay. So like I said, toss it back in there, take it out, and it should be looking just like this, guys. So delicious, so amazing. And like I said, that little hint of cinnamon that adds just that extra oomph, guys. I'm trying to tell you, man, top notch, guys, top notch. I know you guys have been to a barbecue where you take a bite out of the ribs and the ribs bite right back at you because they so darn hard. Ain't none of that over here. I'm trying to tell you, just take your fingers and peel that meat right up off the bone because it's that tender, that juicy, that delicious, that amazing, guys. I'm trying to tell you, you don't need no smoker to get this level of perfection at your house when it comes to ribs, guys. And last but not least, I want to give a special shout out to our channel members. I really appreciate you guys and your support. It means a lot to me. If you want to know more about our channel membership program, hit that join button down below to find out more about it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. Deuces.